flick of the wrist, the story begins. A night in the digital realm, it's time to break in. In the shadows of the system, he stands so tall, the LanaCoin knight ready to answer the call. Lines of code flow like a river so free, he carves out the pathways that lead to the key. No chains can hold him, no walls can confine. This warrior of freedom is one of a kind. With his keyboard as a hammer, he strikes for the bold, building a future where the truth can unfold. My code speaks the language of liberty, he roars, creating a world that opens the doors. With every keystroke, he ignites the flame. LanaCoin Knight, forever untamed. He's breaking the mold, rewriting the game. No longer a pawn in a system of shame. The code is his canvas, the light in the dark. Crafted his vision, each line leaves a mark. On this quest for freedom, he won't stand down. With his heart full of passion, he'll wear the crown. No corporate puppeteer, no rule to obey. This knight forges on, come what may. My code speaks the language of liberty, he roars, creating a world that opens the doors. With every keystroke, he ignites the flame. LanaCoin Knight, forever untamed. Feel the rush, feel the fire ignite. In the lines of his code will take flight. Echoes of rebellion with each passing beat. A rallying cry for everyone to meet. So raise up your voices, let the world hear. The future is ours, let go of the fear. A revolution's coming, you can see it unfold. In this brave new world, we'll never be sold. With the Keymaker's magic, we'll shatter